involutes, we are not dealing with evolutes, we are not dealing with spiral, we are not dealing with helix. But whenever somebody asks you how many types of curve, you have to tell all 6 varieties. Types of curve are 6, but we came across only 2 due to time constraint, due to syllabus defining. So that's why we are dealing with 2. Okay. Shall I explain anything briefly about this or no need?
No need, sir.
No need. Okay, right. Now we will start with first topic, conic section. Now sheet number 3. Note down this. Sheet number 3. Title is conic section. Sheet number 3. Title is conic section.
Sir, 5B8 recording.
5B8 amma. Respond cheyama. 5B8.
Yes, sir.
Permitted amma. Bhavya permitted. Both of you permitted. Right. Next, conic section. What do you mean by section, amma? What do you mean by section? I want English meaning of section.
Dividing into parts.
Always we are
Together.
talking about. Who is that? Who is that? Bhavya, I given permission for recording. Bhavya. Bhavya, I given permission for recording, amma. Okay, right. Conic section. What do you mean by section? You told that it is.
Art.
It is. What is the function of section?
Dividing into parts or segments.
But always we are talking about unity, amma. Always we are talking about unity. Why we want to divide? Can anyone tell me?
Together.
What is the intention? Satvik.
Yes, sir.
Satvik. Why you unmuted, amma? Okay, tell me. What is that section? What is the purpose? Why we want to divide it? Satvik. Satvik,
Sir.
mute yourself. You don't unmute because we are getting hell of sound from that side. Please ask your surrounding to be silent. Right. What is the function of section? Okay. I want to ask you people in reverse manner. Why you people are in S007 section? Why not in S03? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Why you all are in S07? Why not in S03? We have S1 to S16 section. Can you name them? All section belongs to
CMR.
belongs to CMR. Okay.
Yes.
Then how they differentiated? And one more difference, one more thing, can you add?
First
What is
year.
this? First year. Very good. Next. Again. Again.
Their branch.
Hey, where is the question of branch? I am not talking about branch. I am talking about total 16 section. They all are belongs to engineering group, right? Next, what is the difference between S3 to S11, S12 to S16, S1 to S2? Any differences there?
Departments difference.
Yes. Any difference on the
CCSCIT, CSM, artificial data science.
who is that?
Civil mechanical.
Who is that getting music? See this. That's why I asked why you S3 to S11 is a common segment. All student belongs to CSC, EC, IT. S12 to L16 all belongs to artificial intelligence, cyber security, or triple E. S192 belongs to. These all are called disciplines. Why we divided into section, Amma? Why we divided into section? Why not we combine 200 students in a single class? Any response? Why we divided into number of sections?
Not possible to maintain all at a time, 200 members.
What not possible, Ra? What, Ganesh?
It is difficult, sir. It is difficult to maintain all and reach to all for doubts.
Oh, all for droughts. So can we reach 60 students?
60
Can
is
we-
better than 200, no, sir.
Acha, 60 is better than 200, means somewhere you are putting one line there, something is better than nothing. Yes, sir? Yes, sir, no? Why we have to reach, Amma? When you are not interested, you simply took admission. We have to do our work, you have to do your work. There is a question of reaching. Why we have to reach? Okay. You purchase mobile?
Yes, sir.
You purchase fridge, refrigerator, AC, right? Or vehicle. After some times it run for 6 months or 8 months. After that, what it required? Nothing required, huh? Yes, what it required?
Servicing.
Servicing, very good. I felt that somebody will tell petrol. That's why I told 6 months or 1 year. Because what it required means, sir, petrol, all those things are routine matters. Some are routine, we won't talk. We will. Why you need service? Already you got vehicle. Why they have to provide service? After your mobile is working, after sometimes it needs service. Refrigeration needs service. What is this service, Amma? Before buying the product,
Properly only.
maintaining the things in a systematic order for a long span of time. Already we know that all electronics devices are very sensitive in nature. They need maintenance. They have to timely service, maintain, change, replace. There are so many terminologies out there. So like that, how to maintain the system in order? We need system. Why we want 60? Because we want to interact with them. Yes, I can manage. Manage is different. Reaching is different. So when we are able to interact with each and every student, because these students paid for, you people paid, fee paid, chesara ledra. Chesara leda. Sure. You paid fee, na?
Yes, sir.
Then why you are getting that much of doubt? When you paid, you need service. Always remember that interaction means For betterment of the system, we have to divide in a small segment and we are able to represent in a systematic order. That is the speciality of section. Okay. What do you mean by conic? Conic. Anytime you heard this name, conic,
Yes, sir.
what is that, Amma? What is that?
Ellipse, hyperbola.
Oh, I not asked its plant. I asked what is mango tree. I'm not asked mango of different varieties. What is conic? Achha. What is cone? What is cone?
It's
Shape. How that got shape? What is the basic principle of cone? Anytime you heard? Anytime. Hey, cone per vinaleda. Anytime you not heard cone?
yes, sir.
Chappandi, where you heard?
Ice cream shop.
Ice cream cone. Very good answer. I expected ice cream cone. Achha, why it is called ice cream cone? Okay, ice cream is kept inside that cone. That's why it is ice cream cone. That empty. Why it is called cone?
Base is in round shape.
One side it is closed and other side it is hollow.
Can you give its technical name, Amma? Can you give its technical name? Engineering is very, very interesting, Amma. We will go in detail, in depth, up to dragging it to get some information. Can you give its technical name? What you told, I will agree. One side is base, another is a closed or apex. Can you give its name? And I know that you people know. If I tell everyone will start, yes, sir, yes, sir. But I want to know from your side how you can inculcate the things according to the need of the system. Anyone? Acha, can you heard the word of prism?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is prism, Amma? Can you heard one more?
Square.
Square. Can you heard one more name?
Optical element.
Prism, apart from prism.
Pyramid.
Very good answer. Pyramid. Always remember these two things. Any object existing in nature will falls under only two segment. It may be prism, it may be pyramid. See, any object which appears in nature, you listen my statement very carefully. Any object appears in nature may fall under two segment. One, it may be prism, another it may be
Pyramid.
finish. Any object, Amma, whether you talk about mobile, whether you talk about AC, fridge, fan, any object, it has to fall under any one of the segmental group, that is these two groups. Now tell me, cone. Cone is under which segment, Amma?
Pyramid.
Pyramid. Very good answer. What is the difference between prism and pyramid? We have full big chapter for this. Complete one chapter is on there. Prism is having two faces. Prism is having two similar identical faces. All generators are parallel to each other. All generators are parallel to each other. Pyramid, pyramid, pyramid.
All
Pyramid,
shapes are different.
pyramid.
Three faces.
No, ma. Pyramid is having one base and another is apex. Another is apex. All generators are moving towards apex. All generators are moving towards apex. ಇದು pyramid ಅಮ್ಮ. See. కనపడుతుందా pyramid? ఇది కోన్ ఉంది. Can you agree with this cone? How many students say it is a cone? Yes or no? Whether it is a cone or not,
Not, sir.
not at all. Yet ante again, what is the possibility? It is cone amma. కావాలంటే one పని చేయి. Empty cone తీసుకో, you keep cone in front of you, keep here it on table and observe in front of that. What is the shape it look? What is the shape?
Triangle.
ఇది triangle డ్రా చేశాను. I drawn triangle only. I drawn something else. This is drawing them. Drawing in which view? Front view, and then I kept my ice cream in front of me, whatever it may be shape. What is the shape visible for me? If you want, if you see from top, this is base. And always it is a circular base. You can, one more advantage, circle is having no corner, no corner,
No sides, no
no
corners.
corner, no sides. You can divide circle into 4 parts, 8 parts, 12 parts, 16 parts, 360 parts, 720 parts. నీ ఇష్టం. As per your wish. See, this is base of the cone. Agree? This is apex. And these all are generators. Any doubts? Any doubts?
No, sir.
I divided circle into some segments. So these all are generators. If you divide 4 parts, 4, 8, 12, how many parts I will divide? I will get more number of generators. Okay. What is the title, Amma? What is the title?
Conic
Conic
section.
Conic section. He is asking divide this cone into number of sections. Getting my point? What he is selling? Conic section. Divide cone into number of sections.
Sections.
Now, yes, I want to cut this. Okay. You take ice cream cone after going home. Take this ice cream cone, keep base, keep this knife parallel to base and cut. What is the portion you will get it, Amma? What type of, what you will get? Cone apex cut cheste.
One more cone we will get.
Small cone.
No. Only if I cut, what I will see. What I will see. If I,
Circle.
what
Funnel.
we will, somebody told correct answer. What we will get?
Circle.
Circle. What is the difference between base circle and that circle, Amma? What is the
Radius.
difference between? Only
Radius.
radius is the difference. Very good. If you cut somewhat below, again same parallel to, what you will get? What you will get? If I cut like this, here I will get circle. Again, if I cut, what I will get? Again, circle only. If I goes on going downward direction, radius is goes on increasing. Agree? Agree?
Yes, sir.
He is not asking to cut like that, because already we have circular shape. We don't want again circle. We want some different shape. Now listen, what I will do, I will cut this cutting plane in such a way that, now see, this is the dark line, dot. I used this in different types of line. Can you remember? This is one,
Center line.
one. What is that line I called, Amma, upper the?
Center line.
No,
Listen,
dark at two places and again dotted at this. Can you tell what is that?
Plane.
Huh?
Section plane. Section plane.
Section line. I'm doing section. Agree? Yeah. Remember, I told that these all lines we are using frequently. Because why I told, my intention is wherever I will use, this is second. And Jagratam draw chendamma. I drawn different lines, section. This is 3. Draw this figure. Draw first line like this. Second, I will tell how to draw this line towards apex at an inclination. And this line you have to draw parallel to one of the generator. I taken this line parallel to this extreme generator. This line should be inclined, but simultaneously it should be parallel to one of the generator. I taken parallel to this. Third, at an inclination, one side of the axis line. This is one side of the axis line. Not on both. Here it is cutting axis line, but here one side of the axis line. Draw this figure. Draw neatly. That's why its name is conic section. One single cone we will cut in 3 different scenarios. That's why it is called conic section. Cone will be cut in different segment, and all are differ each other. They may not have same platform. They have different platforms. Finished?
Yes, sir.
Right. Listen. Note down. First note down. This figure I want in drawing sheet. Finish. Apart from that, I don't want anything. I will tell. This figure I want same. Any dimension you take. I not taken any dimension. Take appropriate. It has to look decent. Okay, this figure. Write down first conic section definition. In your notebook, write down conic section definitions. Always I will dictate only definition. Conic section. Rasi riti raskol. Raskol. The section obtained by the intersection of a right circular cone. The section obtained by the intersection of a right circular cone. Intersection of a right circular cone. Intersection of a right circular cone by a plane in different positions, by a plane in different positions, by a plane in different positions relative to the axis, by a plane in different positions relative to the axis, of the line relative to the axis of the cone, relative to the axis of the cone are called conics, are called conics. Conics means one cone we cut with relative to different axis plane, relative to each other. So that's why one cone is cut by 3 segments is called conic. Okay. After that, note down. I will explain what is the basic fundamental while keeping section plane. First, section plane 1 ಈ ರೀತಿ ರಾಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. section 1 section 1 note down. This is section 1 when the section plane is inclined, when the section plane is inclined, when the section plane is inclined to the axis, section plane is inclined to the axis and cuts all the generators and cuts all the generators and cuts all the generator on one side of the apex. Cut all the generators on one side of the apex. All the generator on one side of the apex. That section is called ellipse. That section is called ellipse. That section is called ellipse. If you cut, we will get this shape. This shape is called elliptical shape. This shape is called elliptical shape. Next, section 2. Section 2. Shall I start? When the section plane is inclined to the axis, when the section plane is inclined to the axis, when the section plane is inclined to the axis and parallel to one of the generator, I kept parallel to this, parallel to one of the generator, that section is called
Parabola.
parabola. That section is called parabola. Take section 3. When the section plane cuts, both the parts of the double cone, on one side of the axis, on one side of the axis, comma, that section is called hyperbola. That section is called hyperbola. Jagrata mamma. First, while cutting, first we constructed ellipse, second parabola, and third one is hyperbola. Already you studied these things, but you evaluated mathematically. Now we are doing graphically. Getting my point? Earlier problems you evaluated mathematically. Now we are doing graphically. Note down some points. Next, continue. Fixed point is called. Fixed point is called. Fixed
Apex.
point is Fixed point is called. Fixed point is called focus. Focus. Fixed point is called focus, denoted by capital F. Denoted by capital F. Fixed vertical line is called. Fixed vertical line is called. Fixed vertical line is called directrix. 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 Next, the line passing through. Next point. The line passing through. The line passing through the focus. The line passing through the focus. The line passing through the focus and perpendicular to directrix. The line passing through the focus and perpendicular to directrix. And perpendicular to the directrix at any point. Perpendicular to the directrix at any point is called axis. Is called axis. Jagrata mama. Focus, directrix, axis. Next is called axis. Next, the point at which conic cuts. The point at which conic cuts its axis. The point at which the conic cuts its axis is called vertex. Is called vertex, denoted by V, capital V. Denoted by capital V. As far as your syllabus is concerned, we are dealing with eccentricity method. Which method, Amma? Which method?
Eccentricity.
Method. Or it is also called general method. It is also called
General method.
General method.
Always remember, don't get panic. So eccentricity is also same, general method is also same. Okay. Here, what do you mean by eccentricity, Amma? Eccentricity denoted as E. Eccentricity denoted as E. It is the distance of the point from the focus. From the focus to the distance of the point from the directrix. Note down this equation. Eccentricity E is equal to distance of the point from the focus. Distance of the point from the focus by distance of the point from the directrix. Distance of the point from the directrix. How to write its definition, Amma? If somebody asks, this is equation. How to write definition? How to write definition of eccentricity?
Ratio of distance of the point.
Right. Very good answer. Right. Eccentricity is defined as eccentricity E is defined as the ratio of distance of the point from the focus, the ratio of distance of the point from the focus to the distance of the point from the directrix, distance of the point to the directrix, from the directrix. Okay. One more thing I want to tell, how to understand when we have to draw ellipse, when we have to draw parabola, when we have to draw hyperbola. It totally depends on eccentricity. If eccentricity is less than 1, what is that? What is that? That object is called ellipse.
Ellipse.
Eccentricity is less than 1, it is ellipse. Eccentricity equal to 1, it is
Parabola.
parabola. Eccentricity is greater than 1, it is hyperbola. Idu jagratamam. This thing you have to remember, because intentionally he will say, draw a nature of curve, draw a nature of curve. Then he will give eccentricity value. You have to first know whether you have to draw ellipse, whether you have to draw parabola, whether you have to draw hyperbola. Wait, I will take attendance. Right. This is important. Any doubts? In sheet number, I want only this figure. Finish. No definition, no explanation, nothing. Only this figure, title, conic section, Jagrata. Any doubts? Because session may wind up at any moment, you have to rejoin. Take first problem under this. And I will tell one thing. I believe in quality, not quantity. Can you tell me what is quality, what is quantity? What do you mean by quality and what do you mean by quantity? Yes.